How to fix ASN Bank app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name ASN and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Now scroll down, navigate to the option of general, head over to the option of iPhone storage. Now over here, you're going to find different apps that are installed on a device. Find the app ASN. After you find it, open it. Then click on Upload app. Click on Upload app. Uploading app clears cache for the app. Then click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If these two solutions doesn't work for you, what I can do is apply solution 3. That is only to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you have just deleted this app. Now I can close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app ASN. After app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix ASN Bank app not working. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.